Dude, this battery mount is legit. Uh-oh, something's coming through it, dude. What's happening? What are you doing?
I'm destroying my truck.
We're putting battery cables in today. We got this big red cable right here. We got it out of the Volvo. It was the right size, right length, and everything, so we're using that. No reason to let it go to waste. It's coming through here.
Hey, you know where that bigger step bit is?
The bigger step bit?
Yeah, did we use it the other day?
I do not remember. It's amazing that things get lost in here. It's so neat. It's so neat and organized. I'll let you look for that. I'm gonna go back over here and look at your battery mount again. Do that. So we just did a video on the battery mount, making the battery mount, putting it in. It's pretty awesome.
Tell them how I did the lock, because I didn't talk about that in the last one.
How you did the lock?
Yeah, that teeth.
Oh, okay. Well, what's happening here is Ronnie welded this together. It's a pretty good weld. Feels pretty strong, but it's going to go just like this. And there's going to be a bolt that goes through here, and you know, a nut on the other side, washer, whatnot, and that's what's going to hold the battery down. Pretty simple, pretty genius, if I do say so.
And I found the easy way to get the battery out. Watch this. You pick it up from this side, and then you pick it up. Hold on. Right there.
That's the easy way to get it out.
It's much easier than trying to shove it up the other way.
Oh, all right.
Just trying to shove it up like it doesn't go. But if you do this side and that side, it comes right out.
Nice. All right. Now you can get your battery out if you need.
Yeah, cool.
That's important.
So we're going to weld a bolt over here for the ground.
Okay.
Go to here. Then we'll just have to make sure, like in the engine bay, that we ground the chassis to the body really good and the chassis to the motor really good.
Okay. Right on.
And this is just going to come here, through this hole, up through the bay, and then to probably the starter, I think is going to be the closest thing for it to reach. Because it's a little short, but it's not real bad. So, and then the starter will feed everything else.
Sounds good.
We're going to do grommets.
Well, yeah, we just got a bunch of grommets, so we don't have our power wire grounding out on the chassis.
I got to find the step bit. Yeah, we've done that before.
Yes, we definitely have, and it caused a nice fire. What are you trying to put the grommet? Oh, that fits nice.
Alright, now let's see if we can shove this thing through.
Good luck.
It's a pretty short.
Maybe spit on it. Wow, that is a tight fit. There it goes. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, man. We've all done that before.
So did you talk about this battery at all in the last video?
I don't remember.
It's a glass mat battery, right?
Yeah, whatever it is, AGM or something like that.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called. I don't know.
So why'd you choose this battery?
Because it's little,
It's little?
easy to mount somewhere.
Yeah.
That was my biggest reason. I went with an AGM battery just because they don't smoke or anything like that. Like, they don't release fumes. They're completely sealed.
Right.
So you can mount it sideways like this or upside down or however you want to do it. And I went with this specific battery because it's like 680 cranking amps.
Okay.
But it's only like 150 cold cranking amps. But we live in Arizona, so that's not a huge deal to me.
And you said cold was less than
32 degrees.
32
Yeah,
degrees
below
Fahrenheit?
freezing. Yeah.
Okay. And it never gets below freezing here, barely.
Yeah. So
Maybe the wind chill, but not freaking the actual temperature.
So it should be fine. And my plan is in the engine bay, I'm going to put 2 terminals, a ground terminal and a positive terminal.
Huh?
That way, if I ever do need to start it and that's not enough, I can hook up my little jump box and it'll fire right up.
Right.
You know?
Right.
So,
And this is an Odyssey PC 680.
Yeah.
Looks like it's upside down, but here I'll flip it over for you. Odyssey PC 680. That's what we're going with.
yeah, I had a XS power battery that was very similar to this.
Yeah, one of the. It was an AGM also, right?
Yeah. It was just like this one.
Where'd you get that one?
Amazon.
This one or the?
Both.
Oh, okay. Of course you did. Why did I even ask?
The problem with the other one was when we got it, it was leaking. So I sent that one back, and then I got this one. This one just has more reviews and stuff. The other one didn't have any reviews, but. So this is one we're going with. People run them in like their drag Camaros and stuff like that. So I figure if it can start an LS, it can start a KA.
Right on.
That's kind of where I'm at.
Cool.
But yeah, nice and little. And then the reason I went here, as far as like mounting location, is to offset the driver. I know it's not a whole lot of weight.
Yeah.
But with it being
Every little
over here,
bit helps.
Yeah,
you know?
it'll help balance the
Balancing it
truck
out.
side to side.
Yeah.
And
And you can always like move your fuel cell over a little bit to the right also.
Because everything in this truck is offset to the driver's side, like the turbo, the exhaust, like everything's on that side.
Yeah,
so
all the heavy
the driver's
stuff.
side's a little heavy, because all you have on this side is the intake manifold, which is aluminum.
And now you have the ECU over there though.
Oh yeah, My
It's
ECU,
real heavy.
It's smaller than the camera.
Right.
So yeah, just trying to get some stuff over here. Factory, the gas tank's there, so I guess that makes it pretty even.
Looks like the cat is mounted right in the middle of the truck.
Yep. That's where we went with that. The one thing I'm a little worried about
What's that?
is something hitting the battery, and damaging it, puncturing it, or anything like that. But I don't really go off-road, so I'm kind of just going to test it out and see.
You're definitely not going to go off-road after we get these coilovers on and lowered.
Like, if we have to build a skid plate, we'll build a little skid plate for it, but I think it's going to be okay.
Battery skid plate video. That'd get a lot of views.
But yeah, so that's where we're at. We're doing pretty good. We'll weld a bolt here. I guess we'll do that next. And then we'll hook it all up.
Alright, cool. We've learned to always record welding because of the incidence of us catching something on fire is really high. So we want to catch anything cool that happens. Like Ronnie catching the truck on fire for the 17th time.
Good, I polished the wheels up.
Did you?
Okay.
Let me see. Oh, did you use that mag polish that I had?
They're not great.
They're shiny.
They're definitely better.
Yeah, dude. They look good.
So,
Did you do all 4 of them?
yeah. Yep.
Here we go. Looks like it's on there.
Sorry, it's all off.
We have ground. It's on here. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. Trying to find a nut, dude?
They're all too, like, coarse thread. There we go.
That works. At least we think.
I think it'll fit.
I just run it on. You'll never have to take the ground off.
That's what I'm gonna do. Run on.
Where we at?
You ready, bud?
Where we at? I'm ready, dude. I'm ready to video.
I gotta smash this.
Oh, smash it. God, smash it on your truck.
Here we go, dude. Dude, it's a workbench.
Let me see this. Shit, that works. I just gotta heat shrink that on. Whoops, on there. Get this other one done. Boom, ground.
Power. Ground. Okay, we gotta go get the heat gun. Cause then,
You don't have like a lighter
Flush. No.
for all the joints that you smoke?
Yeah, dude.
Are we there yet?
Almost.
Are we there yet?
Almost.
Are we there yet?
Almost. We lost the bolt. So.
We did lose a bolt. Ronnie almost killed me. he was on the grinder with the wire wheel cleaning a bolt up, and I guess his grip is too girly, and it just kind of shot into the toolbox. So it's over there somewhere on the floor. We just gotta look for it.
For
Safety glasses. Where are we at? What are we doing?
I'm looking for this right here, so I can find a bolt.
There it is.
So I can lock her down.
No idea what size it was.
No.
Let's see this. Alright, so let's see. It's our little clamp. And then you got a nut?
Yeah.
Does it fit on there? Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay. Oh man, it is hot. You must have just welded this.
I did. You didn't just see me do it.
Well, I guess that'll work.
I just need a washer.
Hey, washer. Well, let's find a washer, dude.
I just need a big washer to go on there.
Go to the bolt bin.
How's that? Is that a little big?
It might be a little big.
Well, there's not a lot in here that's a little small. I think everything in here is big.
You're a little small. So yesterday we went to Harbor Freight and we got a chop saw. Boom, chop saw, cut off saw, Chicago Electric. It had really good reviews and it was recommended to us by a couple of people, and so that's what we got. It was inexpensive. It was like $100. We have a 20% off coupon. We like coupons.
20%.
We like discounts. Yeah, and then we got a warranty for like $35, 2 year, and they don't care how you broke it. So
we'll run it over with a truck.
yeah, we'll run it over with a truck in a year and a half and go get a new one. So we're about to set this thing up. So watch us set this up. Boom. Sounds dangerous.
It's like not
It's not what?
this big, right?
Success?
That's pretty dope.
Yeah, dude. What is
I love
that? 1/8 inch?
these.
8 inch steel?
I don't know, that's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. It's pretty good. It's alright.
First cut.
About
Bam!
chop saws, tell us how bad we are at it.
Yeah. Tell us how bad we are at chop sawing, at saw chopping, or whatever.
I mean, so, in the middle of editing this video, when I was working on the last video, I accidentally deleted the last clip. So I just wanted to bring you guys out here, show you the finished product of the battery mount, and go from there. I have to be a little careful because I can't spoil the next video, but here we go. So we went ahead and welded a bolt in here. You guys saw that. And then we just have this washer and nut. It's tight on there. That doesn't move. Battery doesn't go anywhere. So yeah, looks perfect. Anyways, I gotta hurry up and edit this video. Levi and I are gonna ride the go-kart. I'll see you guys later.